Welcome back. Lakshmikant Parsekar should fulfill promises made by then Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar of providing a spacious Qabristan for Madgaon's Muslim community. This demand has come from Goa Muslim Forum. They have also demanded a ban on organizations trying to honor the assassin of father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. The forum has also condemned killings of innocent school children in Pakistan and the statements blaming India.
आम्ही प्रायम मिनिस्टराक लेटर बरोवपाचे आहा की जे बापूक जे महात्मा गांधीक आमी जो आयज आमच्या मनान आमी ताका दवरला आनी असली संस्था तेन्ना उबी रावता असली संस्थाक तुवें बॅन करपाचें म्हणून खबर आसतना ती कितें करता फुडें सांग खबर कितें करता 2 म्हयन्या भितर करता फुडल्या म्हयन्या भितर करता म्हणून बोलो नोव्हेंबरान बोलो आपलें काम सगळें सांगलेलें आहा आपूण तें करता म्हाका अशें दिसता की जी जबाब जे उत्तर आमचे आईचे डिफेन्स मिनिस्टरान आणि आदले चीफ मिनिस्टरान दिल्ले ते उत्तर म्हाका दिसता आमचे आईचे चीफ मिनिस्टरान पाडपाचें आसा मेल्ले भुरगे पाकिस्तानात पण सगळ्यांक दूख जाल्लो आहा पण हो स्टेटमेंट जो केला हेची हांव सारकी निंदा करता हे करता सारको कंडेम करता हे रॉंग स्टेटमेंट तुमकां
The first ever grassroots rugby tournament in Goa got an encouraging response with 600 students taking part. Goa Rugby, led by Anish Kenny, put up a decent performance in organizing the day-long rugby competition at Kampal Ground on Sunday. Students of Don Bosco High School and SFX Shioli in particular caught the eye.
Goa Rugby's much anticipated Christmas Touch Rugby Championship was not about winning or losing the title. Rather, the first ever day-long rugby tournament involving schools was about gauging the interest of the Goan students in rugby. A relatively new sport promoted in the state through Goa Rugby over the last 6 months or so, this was a great opportunity to see whether there is a potential for rugby to make space for itself in the state, dominated by football and cricket followers. And there were some positive signs for all to see. Goa Rugby President Anish Kenny is delighted with the involvement of the schools.
I think it's very promising. If you look at most of the PE teachers that come in here, their discipline levels have also improved a lot because, as I said from the beginning, in rugby we start with values. We preach a lot of values. So it's great to have everyone on the ground. It's more than the PE teachers and the students. It's even the parents who've come out on a Sunday. So it's a great day out. It's a fabulous picnic atmosphere out here.
Technically, touch rugby is much simpler than its contact version, and Goan students can feel comfortable taking to the contact sport after mastering the touch format. A young professional rugby player from Fiji, Kelly believes that the sport can grow in Goa.
Well, as I always say to them, everything, even as humans, we start as babies, and then first we crawl, and then after that we can walk, and then we'll start thinking about running and all. But it's the same thing here in rugby also. We've literally started from grassroots, and we taught them the basic, and just see how the games are, the qualities of the game today. It's been great, and I'm sure Goa Rugby and rugby in Goa will go a long way.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.